Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. 1 5-oz can of tuna, 1/2 cup shredded cheddar or Mexican blend, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, and 2 8-inch flour tortillas. Add 1 tablespoon finely chopped onion and 2 tablespoon chopped cilantro if you want freshness. Include a pinch of salt and 1/4 tsb black pepper. Drain the tuna thoroughly and flake with a fork to avoid soggy filling. Measure 1 tablespoon butter for the pan and set a spatula and non-stick skillet nearby, so everything is within reach before you assemble. Lay 1 8-inch tortilla flat and spread the tuna mixture evenly, leaving a 1/2-inch border so the filling stays inside when folded. Top with the second tortilla and press gently to seal. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and melt 1 tablespoon butter, swirling to coat. Place the quesadilla in the pan and cook 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown, then flip and cook the other side 2 to 3 minutes more. Press lightly with a spatula during cooking to help cheese melt evenly. Transfer the cooked quesadilla to a cutting board and let rest 1 minute, then slice into 4 wedges with a sharp knife or pizza cutter. Serve hot with salsa, sour cream, guacamole, or a squeeze of lime. A side salad adds freshness. If storing, cool completely, then place in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 3 days. Reheat in a skillet 1 to 2 minutes per side for best texture. For variation, stir in 1/4 cup corn, 1/4 cup black beans, or 1 tablespoon hot sauce to change flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.